Hi guys, welcome to Gardening with Friends. I'd like to take you on a tour to Japanese garden in Buenos Aires. It's a beautiful day and fantastic grounds of Japanese plants, architecture and art.
The Japanese garden was created in 1967. It was built by the Japanese embassy upon the visit of then heirs to the crown, present Emperor and Empress of Japan. Afterwards, the embassy donated the garden to the city of Buenos Aires to show the gratitude of the Japanese community living in Argentina.
Beautiful incorporation of waterfalls and stones along the plants.
To walk through this park is to accept an invitation to relax, to distance oneself from the chaotic rhythm of the city. This harmony exists because of the different elements that make up a Japanese garden: the water of its great lake, the fish that inhabit it, the bridges, rocks, and vegetation.
We found something yummy. I don't know if you guys are familiar with that. Membrilla is really delicious in some recipes, salads. Let's see. Oh, look at that! That's what they made it from. Of course, we all know hydrangeas, but that's where they really belong because they're coming from Asia and Japan. And sure enough, koi carps. None of the Japanese garden can go without it, and they have plenty here. All the water is a little murky. Beautiful tail. And we made a friend. Can you tell your name?
Murilo.
He's from Brazil, and he was so kind to share a video he took from his drone. You're gonna see it now.
The garden was designed following the principles of traditional Japanese gardens. It has a central lake, and this lake is surrounded by scenic trails, ideal for a pleasant walk. It is an excellent place to learn about Japanese culture, enjoy nature, and relax.
I love this topiary shape. Looks like sea urchin or something. Very cool. And of course, as any feature of Japanese garden, beautiful bonsais. Very nice collection here. And this guy saying hello.
Numerous koi fish inhabit the central lake. This species was chosen because of the legend. In the Yellow River was a door, and only the fish that could swim against the current and reach it would be converted into a dragon. Several kinds of fish tried, but only the koi succeeded in reaching the door.
So here you can get this card and write your wish to put on the bamboo tree. Just like that. Seems like it's a lot of wildlife around here. Check out this tiny, tiny baby fish. I wonder if these are future beautiful koi carps.
The bridges symbolize the passage from one world to another. Each one has a meaning. The red curved bridge represents the union of the human and the divine worlds.
Very nice view from this bridge to the pond again. A beautiful sculpture of samurai.
And hundreds of origami swans. And if you get hungry on a tour, they got you covered with these delicious Japanese dishes.
We're about to conclude the tour of this very nice Japanese garden, which seems to be centered around this beautiful pond. I really enjoyed it. I hope you did too. Happy gardening!